Hello everyone, my name is TJ or Terry Bennett, and within the past few months I've learned the computer language C++. In my learning I haven't found too many YouTube videos that were very easy to understand, so today I'm starting a YouTube series on the basics of C++. Once you're finished with the series, when you go on to expand your learning with C++, you will have a good base to build off of. Okay, so if you don't know what C++ is, it's a object-oriented computer language, and it's okay if you don't know what that means. I'll explain it more as we get more in depth into it. But before we get started, I wanted to share with you a ridiculously awesome resource. It's a website called projectb.biz.com, and they offer classes, and they have a video library of all their video lectures that they've done before. They cover 10 computer languages, but not only that, I would recommend exploring what all they offer you, because they go so much farther than computer languages. They show you how to use like Adobe Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere, 3ds Max, Maya. These are used with visual effects or visual graphics used in movies and things of that nature. They show you how to make apps for Windows phones, iPhones, Androids. I would just recommend just exploring this, because they have a real variety of different things here. Like they have a game engine, Unity, which is used to make games for like consoles or phones or for the Oculus Rift. So there's a variety of different stuff here, and I would just recommend just kind of thumbling through it and see what you can find. But today in this YouTube series, we're going to focus specifically on the computer language C++. So how are you going to learn C++? The first thing we got to do is expand your vocabulary with C++. As we start to build programs, and each time I introduce you to a new word or a term, I'm going to have a slide that says what it is, what it does, and how it can be used. I'm going to treat this video series like building a car, piece by piece. We're going to learn how to build a program and get you familiar with C++ and expand your vocabulary. One other thing I want to cover with you is best practices. First thing is take breaks, because if you get really angry at programming and you just try to power through it and you just sit there frustrated at trying to learn, and if you're not absorbing any information, walk away from the computer. Take a break, drink some tea, get hydrated, something. Second thing, very, very important, is to make sure you're able to follow along. Set up a tablet and play the video, and on your computer, make sure you're typing in the code. If you have two monitors and you're able to watch a video on one monitor and follow along on the code on the second monitor, please do that, because it is crucial. In the next tutorial, we'll be looking at compilers. See you there.